Hello. Today we will learn to use Overdrive and Libby. You can get ebooks and audiobooks from your library with just your library card number and an app. The things you will need to begin downloading and enjoying books on your device is, of course, your device. It can be a tablet, a smartphone, or a computer. Your library number that you can get from your library, and you'll download an app from your app store. Here are the pictures of the two apps that we're going to use today. These are two apps which you can borrow books on, and it depends on what type of device you have. Libby is a newer app, and she works great, but it's only for devices with Play stores like Windows, the Google Play Store, or the Apple App Store. Overdrive can be used on those devices with app stores, but I find Libby is easier to use and more intuitive. Overdrive must be used with Kindles and Nooks. Depending on your device, you will download the app that best suits your device. So on the left, I have a Kindle, and I just searched Overdrive. And on the right, I have an Android smartphone, and I was searching, going to get it out of the Play Store. So here's the two apps on the Kindle and the smartphone, and you just choose to download those. On the Kindle, we are going to click Sign Up. And on the smartphone, when we use Libby, we're going to click Open. On the Kindle, have used the sign up using a library card, and that's what I suggest clicking on. I've never used the sign up using Facebook, but if you use Facebook a lot and you want to try that, you certainly may. On Libby, Libby's going to ask you a question, and this question is, do you have a library card? And yes, you do. On the Kindle, you're going to enter your library, and on Libby, you're going to answer that question. So on the Kindle, you can choose Choteau County Library for Fort Benton branch, Choteau County Library Big Sandy branch library, or Choteau County Library Geraldine branch library. You could also pick, if you are Highwood and have a library card with Highwood School Community Library, you could also pick that. On the right, on Libby, you're going to put in your zip code so she can help us find our library. One more time, you're going to select your library in Overdrive. This is where you're going to have to pick Choteau County Library. I believe that's the only one on the list. And in Libby, you're going to answer that question. Do you read it in Kindle, or will you read in Libby the most? I really enjoy reading in the Libby app. Even when I do not have service, it seems to work very nicely. Okay, here on the Overdrive, you're going to enter your card number. And here if you are working with Libby, you're going to go ahead and click Sign In. After you enter that card number on the Kindle, you're going to hit, of course, Sign In. And here I have interlibrary card number, but that's incorrect. Go ahead and you're going to select the library, Choteau County Library, from that drop-down menu. This next screen, which I don't have for Libby, should be a place where you're going to put in a library card number for Libby. On the Kindle, however, it has this funny shelf where you have to click Add the Title, and this is where I do not like Overdrive because it has this extra step that doesn't make much sense. But go ahead and click that, and then here we are. This is where you're going to start searching for your audiobooks and your ebooks. Thank you for watching.